And just now, Mrs. Swinburne.
Thank you, Mr. President. Wales is one of the poorest regions in the EU and also has a very high dependence on micro and small businesses. Despite Wales receiving 2 rounds of structural funding, we have not seen a significant improvement in GDP, and therefore we need to apply the structural funds in a different way to stimulate economic productivity. As the Commissioner has said in his opening remarks, if each SME were able to employ 1 new person, it would have a major impact on economic growth. Therefore, we need to ensure that regions are explicitly encouraged to take action to allow SMEs access to structural funds on a priority basis, not just through Jeremy and Jessica. Civil servants cannot generate economic returns, but allowing our small businesses access to finance for employment and competitiveness could provide a major stimulus. Action to assist SMEs should not be considered state aid and therefore used as an excuse by regional administrators for not funding SMEs.
Thank you very much. And just now, I will give the floor to Mr. Karins.
Paldies, priekšsēdētāji. Eiropai ir nepieciešama izaugsme. Lai būtu ekonomiskā izaugsme, mums vajadzīgas ir investīcijas, jo caur investīcijām mums būs jaunas darba